It's already here. Bro, you're watching WWE. What's up, YouTube? I'm Zach. This is my puncture time.
I'm Banisic.
Oh. Damn.
You want to keep it?
A Walmart Tire Center kit. I'm about to plug this. We're showing Zach's attempt. It looks easier on video.
Bro, why'd you use my good knife?
Oh, I'm sorry.
What knife?
You use my ceramic.
A little bit of cement. I don't even see the knife.
I'll put it back.
What? You put it back in there?
Bro, we used to drink lead. We're all right. We'll be fine.
Going. Oh, yeah, everyone.
Oh, bro.
No bubbles though.
He's gonna love that.
In clockwise order.
You can
Something
touch it,
you
dude.
learned today.
I learned that you don't need to pour that much water on it.
I let the ground be real sticky.
Zach.